In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old job postings on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. Finding old job postings can be a valuable tool in your job search journey. You might be wondering why you'd want to look for job postings that are no longer active. Well, old postings can give you insights into which companies are regularly hiring, the kinds of roles they value, and the skills they're looking for in potential candidates. Now, let's explore how you can access these old postings on Indeed step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Indeed website. Once you're there, you'll notice the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll enter the job title, keywords, or even the company name you have in mind. After you've typed that in, don't forget to specify the location if you want to narrow down your search to a particular area. Now, once you hit that search button, you'll be taken to a page filled with current job listings. Now, here's the trick. To find old postings, look at the filters on the side of the page. One of those options will allow you to filter job postings by date. You might not see a specific filter for old job postings, but what you can do is look for job listings that say they were posted within the past week, past month, or past year. By using the past year option, you can gain access to listings that are slightly older, and while they may still be active, they can give you valuable context for what has been available. If you're focused on really old listings or ones that may have closed, you might hit a wall here, as Indeed doesn't archive listings indefinitely. However, if you keep scrolling down, often you can come across listings that show their date right there. When you find one that catches your eye, make sure to click on it to read through the details. Another useful approach to locating old job postings is by using Google. I know what you're thinking, but hear me out. On Google, you can type something like site, Indeed.com, job title, location, time frame, into the search bar. By typing in a specific title, for example, software engineer, alongside the location, and even adding something like 2019 to the search, Google may present you with Indeed links that lead to older job postings. Additionally, you can utilize the Wayback Machine, a web archiving service that takes snapshots of websites at different times. This could be a game changer. Go over to archive.org and plug in the Indeed URL with the specific job title or keywords. You'll see if any past versions of the page exist, and if so, you can browse those bygone postings. Lastly, if none of these options seem fruitful, don't forget about networking. Reach out to peers in your desired field or even recruiters who've worked with those companies. Sometimes they hold on to valuable knowledge about roles that may not have been reposted. So there you have it. With these strategies, you'll be better equipped to find old job postings on Indeed. Whether you're looking for trends or simply to gather information, these techniques can provide the insight you're after. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content.